Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Revolut user or thinking about joining, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into how to do a Revolut referral, a simple way to earn rewards just by sharing the love. Revolut is that awesome banking app that makes managing your money easy, secure, and even fun with features like instant transfers and budgeting tools. One of its best perks is the referral program, where you can get free money or perks when your friends sign up through your link. Let's break it down step by step so you can start earning right away. First things first, make sure you have the Revolut app installed on your phone. If you don't, download it from your app store and create an account. It's quick and straightforward. Once you're logged in, head to the Referrals section. You can find this by tapping on your profile icon in the top left corner, then scrolling down to the Invite Friends or Referrals tab. Here, Revolut will generate a unique referral link just for you. It's personalized, so anyone who signs up using it will be linked back to your account. Now, the fun part, sharing your link. You can copy it and send it via text, email, social media, or even WhatsApp. Make sure to explain the benefits to your friends, like how they can get a free trial or bonus cash upon signing up. Once they download the app, complete the sign-up process, and verify their account, you'll both get rewards. For example, you might receive £10 or equivalent in your currency, depending on the current promotion. One tip: always check the app for the latest referral terms, as they can change. Also, ensure your friends are new to Revolut to qualify. That's it, easy peasy. By referring friends, you're not only helping them discover a great app but also boosting your own wallet. If you try this out, drop a comment below letting me know how much you earned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.